Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the card basics so transactions can proceed. First, check activation status and the printed expiration date, then confirm the current balance on the issuer's site or phone. Once done, register the card with the issuer if needed and make sure the name and billing address exactly match the merchant record. You do this because online systems block mismatches. A tiny digit error or address difference often causes failures. Now that these essentials are correct, move to payment method selection. You should now focus on precise entry and fallback options. Carefully type the 16-digit number, CVV, and expiration. Do not rely on autofill, which can insert old info. Next, make sure the billing address matches the issuer's record, include apartment or unit numbers. If the balance is lower than the total, opt to split the transaction or add a secondary payment during checkout. Also, pick credit when prompted rather than debit. Many gift cards process as credit, and that choice prevents needless declines. You finish by confirming authorization and watching for confirmation screens or emails. Keep receipts. If the purchase is declined, first retry entering the exact details, then switch browsers or use the merchant's alternative checkout like PayPal or phone order. If declines persist, call the card issuer, read any error codes aloud, and ask for an authorization or a reload option if applicable. One key troubleshooting tip. If addresses and numbers are correct, but issues remain, request a manual authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.